How to downgrade from Windows 11 24H2 to 23H2. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to downgrade from Windows 11 24H2 to 23H2. So let's get started. First of all, you need to know that this method works only if the update is still eligible for uninstallation, such as within the rollback period. And for that, first of all, you need to create backup to avoid data loss. And once you're clear with that and you've created backup in order to avoid any data failure, you gotta come to your start menu and you gotta click on left shift and click on restart simultaneously. So you gotta click on left shift and then click on restart side by side. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see an option like this. So you're going to click on troubleshoot and then you're going to select the option that says advanced options. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on uninstall updates. And here you'll have to click on uninstall latest feature update and then wait for the uninstallation process to get completed. Once completed, you'll be able to see that your Windows have been downgraded from Windows 11 24H2 to 23H2. And there are a couple of stuff that you need to know is that once the rollback window expires, you will need to perform a clean installation to revert to an older version. And also there is a potential data loss and you need to back up before doing that. And that was basically how you can downgrade from Windows 11 24H2 to 23H2. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.